Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but hopefully you guys are having a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We're gonna get another like 7 inches, I think. It's gonna be not a good week here, but this is coming from Topsleepy.com. Nice size box. And of course, the link is going to be down below where you can purchase one. And let's see what they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. There we go. Uh-oh. We got something. Bam. And one more cut. Oh, look at this. What do we have here? It's heavy. Yeah. Boom. This thing is huge. It is king size. Down comforter. Wow. This is like the fancy dancy kind. Oh boy. It is from Topsleepy. 100% cotton shell, fluffy, Mr. Fluffy. Well, I was gonna pop out like the bed and the box thing. Oh boy, nice. I'll open it up, take a look at this thing. Definitely excited, especially for Valentine's Day. You could make a little purchase for her bed. And this will help you get a good night's sleep. Everybody deserves a good night's sleep. I just wish I could. So I get about 3 hours of sleep a night usually. Maybe 2 if I'm lucky. There we go. Alright. See, now it's gonna expand once I once I cut this part. There's that. Right on. I don't want to cut the bed. There we go. See, it's gonna start to expand right now. See, it's getting bigger, getting fluffier. Trying not to suffocate it. Trying not to knock you guys over. I'm gonna adjust it. This side. There we go. Bada boom. That's nice. Nice and heavy. Ooh. They got other sizes too, so king, queen, Cali king, all that good stuff. I'll be putting this on a bed in a minute. Once I get it somewhat out of the bag, out of the box. One sec. Well, here's what it somewhat looks like out of the box. Go. This is a machine washable, I do believe. Yep. Soak it with warm water, 20 minutes before washing. Hang dry. Pretty simple. King size, boom. Alright. Really nice. Like, give me a minute, and I'll be right up. Show you in the bed. See ya. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is again. The Topsleepy king size feather down comforter. Really nice, really soft. It's perfect. And like I said, check them out. Link is going to be down below. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime. But Yeah, this is super nice. Super soft. I'm going to try it out tonight. Here's that. Maybe you guys can see better. That. Boom. Bada bing. And thank you guys to Topsleepy on Amazon. And you guys have a good one. Be safe. And hopefully I'll see you guys back tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys soon. See ya.